Hey guys, John here from the Composition Madhouse. I had a quick tip for you here. And this is when you have a real difference, a real distinction between your blue and your yellow values in your picture and the two options you have for how to fix it. So here's a picture I took. I'm in the church here, shooting back at the bride right before she comes in. And in the sanctuary, there's very big windows. So I've got a lot of natural blue light, obviously, coming in here. And then here out in the narthex, you have a tungsten light up above her that's very tungsteny and shooting down. So on the door here, you have that natural light, but in here, you have this yellow light. Now, actually, as I was talking, I thought of a third option. One option, and I've done it at this church before, is I just had them turn this light out here, so it's much more natural. But if that's not an option, or if you don't feel comfortable about doing that, there are a couple other options. Now, one option, of course, is just to turn it black and white, and you're taking away the source of the problem. You're just taking away the color information, and that's fine. That's one good use of colors, is when it's messing up the hierarchy in the visual hierarchy in the photo, so you can just take away that color information. This is beautiful, and that's fine. But let's say you don't want to change the color, and let's say the color is an important compositional aspect of the photo. What are your options? Well, the first thing that obviously you would think of is, you want to correct the skin tones as hierarchically first importance. So you go to the dress here, you just take a sample, and right there. And that's already much, much better. You get natural skin tones right here. But of course, the problem is that you've got all this blue shining from the sky that's on here that's distracting, right? Now, of course, you could deliver this, but it's just not ideal. So your option here is just to pull all the blue out of the scene, right? And that's really a much better, more beautiful photo. Of course, you're losing color information from here and other places that you don't realize, but this is an option. Now, typically what I do is, if I need to do such a drastic change like this, is that I won't take all of that out, is that I'll leave some of the blue information in, because when you try to take all of the color information out, you'll end up probably doing there'll be the transitions between colors will become kind of chunky and awkward. So you can take most of it out, and that will improve it, and you'll still retain the good color information, like the flowers here, the lips, and the skin, but you'll take out the other blues out here. Okay, guys, thanks for checking it out this week. More videos coming soon. Thanks.